Welcome to Dipalicious Nails. I'm Jerinae, and in this video, I'm going to do some chrome stamping using our new sticky polishes, a Roaring 20s stamping plate, and our Holo gold chrome pen. You can stamp over polish, dip, acrylic, or gel. Just apply them as usual and add in your stamps before doing top coat. I'm starting with a pre-dipped nail that's been rough buffed and cleaned with alcohol. Start with a layer of matte top coat as your base. I'm using our 18 free water-based polish for this, but you can use a matte gel top coat too if you want. The 18 free polishes and peel base need heat from our fingers to dry. You can also use the heat from a blow dryer to speed up dry time. Next, dab on a good amount of sticky stamping polish to the design. Scrape the excess away, holding the card at a 45-degree angle, then quickly pick up the image with the stamper head using an up-down motion. Use tape to clean up any unwanted parts from the stamper. Stamp the image onto your nail with a rolling motion. Apply chrome powder to the design by pressing and gently rubbing it on, then brush off the excess with a soft brush. Now it's time to seal in the design. I used the 18 free smudge-free glossy top coat for this. I usually use 3 coats if this is my final top coat since it goes on pretty thin. You can also use gel to seal it in, and matte top coat would be cute too. And remember to cap your edges. You always want to make sure to clean up all your tools before storing, and that's it. Thanks for spending some time with us. Leave any questions you have below and let us know if you've tried this technique and what other tutorials you'd like to see from us. And of course, please like and subscribe to our channel to see more. Until next time, bye.